Our innovation does value addition through the production of sesame oil, high quality, and it does it for human consumption, for households, hospitals, and even the restaurants which use our product, healthy product. These are the people that we do the products for. The most meaningful impact that I've seen through our innovation is our value proposition, because we offer 100% pure and natural sesame oil, and it's also an affordable product compared to international markets. And I believe it will be able to penetrate the East African market because of the huge health benefits and the competitive advantage. The one thing I would like the world to know about innovations coming from East Africa is that most or 90% of the innovation are birthed from young people and women. And these innovations are not just innovations for the market, but these are sustainable, transformational, and generational impact innovations.